How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the vlog. As you can see, I'm sitting here in the Winnie right now, kind of getting things all loaded up. Nathan is on his way from Butte to Great Falls. It's currently freaking 1:45. Nathan should be pulling into town any second now. We're gonna head up to the mountains. Can do a little fishing and look for a black bear, because we have been black bear hunting so many times, and I know that we've been getting close to them, and we've almost gotten one, but it's not easy. It's not the easiest thing, but it's fun. If you haven't seen the Winnie, if you haven't like formally seen the Winnie yet, head back a couple videos and you'll see it in the thumbnail. You can watch the first 5 minutes. I think I'm giving a tour of this thing, but yeah, she's running great. This is going to be our second trip in it. So still could have errors, but so far everything looks great. So we'll see. We'll see how we do then. But yeah, I'm gonna keep packing this up, and like I said, Nathan should be in town any minute, so we'll see him soon. All right, guys. Well, we are officially on the road here. It's a little bit of a jaunt out to where we're going to. I apologize if you can't hear me over the sound of this beautiful piece of machinery purring, but Nathan's already on his way. Well, I don't know if he's on his way yet, but he's gonna probably beat me there no matter what, just because I max out at I like to keep this puppy going at like 65, so he's definitely gonna beat me. But yeah, I got a little bit of a drive here. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I have somehow beat Nathan. I don't know how I did, but I did. I definitely thought that he left before me, but apparently not. So I think what we're gonna do, head to our black bear spot, hunt the evening. It's really nice up here right now. It's usually extremely windy, so for us to have caught it like this, very fortunate for sure. Here he comes. You. Hey yo. You ready?
I'm ready. Get fucked.
All right, folks. Well, we made it back to the truck. Just right as, yeah, we're 10 minutes after shooting time, so got a good scope on the area. Definitely a lot of bears in the area. Good amount of tracks. So I don't know what we're gonna do tonight. Well, in the morning. Probably gonna discuss that tonight. Figure out where we're gonna go. But I don't know if we're gonna hit this spot again. I'll go try a new area. There's a lot of people in this area just because it's the weekend, so. Alright. See you guys back at the Winnie. All right, folks. Well, we hunted the morning. It's currently 9:30. Just kind of cruise these roads. Didn't do any hikes this morning, but I don't know how motivated we are. I think we're gonna go fishing. So we're gonna go rig up some rods, and I don't know where we're gonna go yet, but probably one of these lakes around here, so.
Yep.
We just got out here, and there's about 30 fish coming up right here. So we already have some dry fly rods set up, so we're gonna see if we can pluck a few out of here. But that is just like a shit pile of fish in that little group right there. I wish this thing could zoom. Just keep your eye over there. There we go. I hooked one. I don't know if you guys saw it. I hooked one.
Recording? Alright.
First little fishy today. Nice little cutty. Look at that. Nice red little cut through it on that guy. Actually got a pair of feet stats right here. There's a lot of fish coming up. So, I have a feeling I'm going to catch quite a few. Why haven't you caught one yet, Nathan?
I haven't fished yet.
Alright, let's see it, Nathan. Let's see it. They're coming up like crazy down there. Oh, yes! Aha! Woo! What? You rip that shit. What are you doing?
Oh, get away from the log.
Just log hopping. Mine was doing that too. This is stupid. Yeah. There he is.
Cromer.
Little Cromer. Outie. I don't even know if you can tell how many fish are coming up down there. Stupid amount. Stupid amount. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, you guys will see in a different angle. Flick that out there. There it is. God damn.
I need one of those 6 foot or the 10-foot 6 weights.
There. Nice. Good eat. Yeah, that looks like a nicer one.
On the freak rod.
Yeah, this is a Nathan's using a squatch bottom 2 segments, right? And a 4-weight squatch? 5-weight squatch.
2 segments. And then a 4-weight loop Q for the top 2 segments. I had the broken top of the squatch and a broken bottom on the loop. Why get them fixed and we can just toss them together.
Here, you want a little net job on that guy? He's a little chunker.
The pictures with that long range lens are fucking filthy.
Can I get some of you with this one? Sweet.
Let's do this way.
Oh my. Tip its back up a little more. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I love that I can just set up this little camera. It's fishing so good right now. I mean, this clip has only been going for like 4 minutes. And that was like 2 fish in 4 minutes.
Another fish in like a second.
Yeah, it is. No! This is just stupid. Oh, this camera's wigging.
I should get up there with the tripod and film it. You should use these flies for a minute because they're bigger. And you can cast better with this rod here.
Yeah, I could.
They're maybe hooked on that log right close.
Yes. No worries. Here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Let her rip, buddy. Ew. Damn it.
I did get that.
Oh, that felt like a nice one.
Oh.
Never been great at roll casting Did I lose that back fly?
I don't think so.
Never mind. Here, fishy, 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 fishy.
I have solid proof of you missing so many eats now.
Actually, that was a failure of your knot, so...
He wasn't on the back fly, was he?
Yes, he was.
Oh. Oh, shit.
Should I tie it? Let me tie on this. I'll just tie on this. I want to bomb one so bad out there. Doing it. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Does it say 30 minutes or does it say time on the top left?
Oh, it wasn't recording. Alright, well this one doesn't count, okay? Me out here just slamming.
You said you wanted a 150 fish day.
Yeah, I did say I want a 150 fish day.
It would probably be doable.
Yeah, I agree. That was like the exact same spot you were just at.
I was further left.
Oh my god, what a bomber of a cast. Oh, nice grab, Nathan.
Oh no, that was a nice one too.
Did you just lose it?
Yeah.
What do you have to say to our audience?
Nothing.
Oh my god, you lose it and then you give us a terrible cast? Oh, did you see the size of that one that just freaking came up?
That's why I streamer fish, because you don't lose them.
Yeah, you don't really lose them when you're streamer fishing.
That one that came up too big.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if we tried to match the flies a little better.
Oh. Oh, I was moving the camera. Come on, Nathan. Come on. Get him in. No. Are you kidding me? What you using over there, Nathan?
A couple little dry flies.
Wow, this this camera is showing the drip of snot dripping down your nose perfectly right now.
Chilly. Fucking seatbelt on.
You don't have yours on either? Alright, we're moving locations. I think we've pestered that group of fish enough that they are not coming in close enough for us to catch them. So we're gonna hit a different spot on the lake real quick. Stay strapped, kids. Okay, well, we came and checked this out. I don't see any fish over here. And it's currently 3 o'clock. So I think we're gonna go eat and then do a hike this evening looking for a black bear. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, well, I'm going to turn my hat backwards so you can see me. It was a little bit of a switch up here. I actually am going to include... Actually, you know what? I probably did put in a little bit of the footage of us hiking to go look for bears. But, yeah, that's what we did this afternoon. We went and looked for some bears. And tomorrow we're going to hit it hard and go and hit some of our brown trout spots. So, yeah. Stay tuned. We're gonna sit and eat some dinner. So I probably won't tune back into the camera till the morning, but I'll get some clips tonight. So, night guys. See you in the morning.
My good God. Did you see the size of him?
Yeah.